Best beginner motorcycle BMW G310Gs. Choosing your first motorcycle is an exciting step into the world of riding. Among the plethora of options available, the BMW G310Gs consistently emerges as a top choice for novice riders looking for adventure. In this comprehensive article, we will delve into the reasons why the BMW G310G stands out as the ideal choice for beginners. We will explore its features, performance capabilities, rugged design, and the exhilarating riding experience it offers. BMW's legacy of excellence. BMW Motorrad, the motorcycle division of the iconic German automaker BMW, has a storied history of producing exceptional motorcycles. With a legacy built on engineering expertise, innovation, and a commitment to quality, BMW Motorrad is renowned worldwide. The G310Gs, a gateway to adventure. The BMW G310Gs is part of BMW's versatile Gs, Gelände/Straße lineup, known for its adventurous spirit and off-road capabilities. It was purpose-built to provide a perfect entry point for riders seeking a taste of adventure. A responsive heart. Powering the G310Gs is a spirited 313cc single-cylinder engine, generating a nimble 34 horsepower. This power output strikes a balance, allowing beginner riders to build their skills while providing enough performance for thrilling experiences. Rugged and stylish design. The G310Gs boasts a rugged, adventure-ready design, with signature BMW styling cues. Its aesthetics convey an adventurous spirit, making it an attractive choice for riders who crave both form and function. Lightweight and agile. Weighing around 374 pounds, 169 kilograms, fully fueled, the G310Gs is exceptionally lightweight and agile. Its compact dimensions and manageable weight make it a breeze to handle, whether you're conquering city streets or venturing onto unpaved trails. Smooth and predictable power delivery. The single-cylinder engine of the G310Gs offers a smooth and predictable power delivery, an essential feature for novice riders. The engine's characteristics, including accessible low-end torque, make it suitable for diverse riding conditions, from urban commuting to off-road exploration. Advanced safety features. The G310Gs comes equipped with advanced safety features, including ABS, anti-lock braking system. These enhancements enhance braking performance and control, ensuring safety in various riding scenarios. Off-road prowess. The G310Gs isn't just for road riding, it's built to handle diverse terrain. Its long travel suspension, rugged frame, and ample ground clearance enable it to tackle everything from smooth highways to rough trails. Comfort for long journeys. The G310Gs prioritizes rider comfort with a comfortable seat and an upright riding posture. Whether you're commuting or embarking on extended journeys, you'll find the G310Gs rider-friendly and accommodating. Resale value. BMW motorcycles, including the G310Gs, are known for retaining their value well over time. This means that when you decide to upgrade or switch to another motorcycle, you can expect a respectable return on your investment. Conclusion. The BMW G310Gs isn't just a beginner motorcycle, it's an open invitation to the world of adventure. Its combination of manageable power, lightweight agility, advanced safety features, and rugged design makes it an exceptional choice for riders setting out on their two-wheel journey. Whether you're a newcomer to motorcycling or an experienced enthusiast, the G310Gs offers a unique and thrilling experience. BMW Motorrad's dedication to excellence, innovation, and rider satisfaction is evident in the G310Gs, positioning it as a standout option in the adventure motorcycle segment. Riding the G310Gs is more than transportation, it's an opportunity to embrace the open road, discover new horizons, and conquer challenging terrains with confidence and style. With this versatile and captivating machine, BMW Motorrad has crafted a gem that resonates with riders of all backgrounds and aspiration.